Hello, dear students, parents, and all teachers. Welcome to our AdarshVidya educational YouTube channel. Today's, we will try to understand exercises of Class 8th. Subject, General Science. Chapter 8, Pollution. And so on. Like. Identify types of pollution. Match the pairs. True or false. Answer the following. Read the passage and identify the sentences. So, let's start. At the starting we will see. Question first. Following are some statements about pollution. Which type of pollution do those express? First statement. Fog seems to be appearing in Delhi during day hours. Answer is air pollution, smog. Second statement. Many times, vomiting and dysentery occurs after eating pani puri. Answer is water pollution, contamination of food and water due to bacterial or virus. Third statement. Problem of sneezing occurs sometimes during visit to garden. Answer is air pollution. Fourth statement. Crop does not grow up in some areas. Answer is soil pollution. Fifth statement. People living in the busy squares face the problems like short breathing and other respiratory problems. Answer is air pollution. 1. Read the passage and identify the sentences expressing types of pollution. Passage is: Nilesh is a student of STD 8 and lives in urban area. It takes about an hour to go to the school by bus. He faces the heavy traffic of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, rickshaws, buses while going to school. He is facing the problem of asthma since last few days. Doctors recommended him to stay away from urban area. Since then, his mother sent him to the village of his maternal uncle. Nilesh saw the heaps of garbage at many places in village. Foul smell of human and animal wastes was present at many places. Blackish water with foul smell was flowing in a stream. He developed some abdominal disease within few days. Answer is first. It takes about an hour to go to the school. Due to traffic jam, Nilesh is spending more time in polluted, contaminated air. Second. He faces the heavy traffic. Large-scale combustion of fossil fuel. Third. He is facing the problem of asthma. Air pollution, harmful to human health. Fourth. The heaps of garbage at many places. Solid waste, land pollution. Fifth. Foul smell of human and animal wastes. Biological pollution, air pollution. Sixth. Blackish water with foul smell was flowing in a stream. Improper sewage management, water pollution. Seventh. He developed some abdominal disease within few days. Water pollution, effect on human health. Let's see next question. Match the pairs from A and B columns and explain the effect of pollution on human health. Column A. First. Water containing cobalt, second. Methane gas, third. Water containing lead, fourth. Sulfur dioxide, and fifth. Nitrogen dioxide. See the column B. A. Mental retardation, B. Paralysis, C. Inflammation of lungs, D. Skin cancer, E. Irritation of eyes. Answer is first. Water containing cobalt, paralysis. Second. Methane gas, skin cancer. Third. Water containing lead, mental retardation. Fourth. Sulfur dioxide, irritation of eyes. Fifth. Nitrogen dioxide, inflammation of lungs. Let's see next question. Fourth question. True or false? First statement. Water does not get polluted by washing the cloths in running water of river. Answer is false. Second statement. More the use of electric appliances, more will be the pollution. Answer is true. Another question is: answer the following. Question first. What is pollution? Answer is contamination of natural environment that can harmfully affect the environment is called pollution. Question second. What are pollutants? Answer is the products which affect the normal functioning of ecosystem and have an adverse effect on plants, animals, and human are called pollutants. Questions third. What is acid rain? Answer is point first. When rainwater contains harmful amounts of nitric and sulfuric acids, it is called acid rain. Point second. Burning of fossil fuels such as coal, wood, petroleum, etc. releases nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide into the atmospheric air. Point third. Since these oxides are soluble in water, they dissolve in rainwater. Nitrogen and sulfur oxides dissolved in large quantities of water vapor form acids like nitric acid, nitrous acid, sulfurious acid, and sulfuric acid. Point fourth. These acids mix with mist, drops of rainwater, and snow. They change their composition and fall back on the ground in the form of acid rain. See, some effects of acid rain are as follows. First, increase in the acidity of soil and water bodies. Second, damage to the trees. Third, water becomes unsuitable for fish and wildlife. Fourth, buildings, statues, sculptures, bridges, monuments, and fences are corroded due to acid rain. Thus, acid rain damages our national assets. Fifth, acid rain affects agriculture and croplands. Question fourth is, what is greenhouse effect? Answer is first point. Greenhouse effect is the phenomenon due to which global warming and climate change occur. Second point. The Earth receives solar energy in the form of heat from the sun. The surface of Earth absorbs this heat and reflects it back to the atmosphere as infrared radiation. Some of this heat energy goes directly into space. Third point. But due to pollution there is an envelope of CO2, CH4, and water vapors in the atmosphere. Some of these radiations are absorbed by these gases. This radiation is sent back to the Earth's surface in the form of heat energy. Fourth point. This causes warming of the Earth, which is called greenhouse effect. It later results in global warming. Fifth point. The gases CO2, CH4, N2O, and CCl2F2, contributing to greenhouse effect, are called greenhouse gases. Sixth point. More and more burning of fossil fuels and allied activities by humans cause more and more greenhouse effect. Seventh point. The worst impact of greenhouse effect is global warming and climate change. Question fifth is, which are visible pollutants known to you? Answer is 1. The polluting substances that are not seen easily with the naked eyes can be called as visible pollutants. E.g. solid wastes, plastic articles, plastic bags, the suspended things in the water, metal refuse, etc. Question 6. Which are invisible pollutants? Answer is the pollutants which are completely dissolved in water or mixed in the air, cannot be seen, and hence they can be called invisible pollutants. Since they are not seen, we remain unaware about the presence of these pollutants. E.g. the insecticide spread on the crops. Aerosols, many hazardous gases in the air, toxic compounds that are totally soluble in water, etc. Let's see next question number 6. 6. Answer the following. Here first one. Give 2 examples of each of water, soil, and air pollution from your residential area. Answer is examples of air pollution. First example. New buildings are constructed. Old structures are demolished. This is creating lots of dust pollution. The air is full of particulate matter. Second example. The number of vehicles on the road has tremendously increased. This causes smoky environment. Next examples of water pollution. First example. The sea shows lots of floating plastic and decaying flowers, etc. When beaches are visited, it is a common sight. Second example. Many fishes are seen dying in great numbers and are washed off to the shore. Next examples of soil pollution. First example. Everywhere garbage heaps are seen. In that plastic bags, needles, old medicine vials and cartons are seen in abundance. Second example. The sludge brought by rainwater is spread everywhere and that causes stink. Question second. How does the pollution occur due to vehicles? Give the names of vehicles causing least pollution. Answer is: first point. More than 50% of the air pollution is caused by vehicular traffic. Second point. Particulate matter, unburned hydrocarbons, CO, nitrogen oxides, and carcinogenic hydrocarbons are present in the automobile exhausts. Third point. Fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, natural gas, gasoline, etc., which are burnt to run the automobiles, lead to the emission of CO and other gases. Fourth point. Therefore, vehicles are said to be the major contributors to air pollution. Fifth point. The only vehicle which is non-polluting is bicycle. The four-wheelers, which are battery-operated, are also manufactured recently. These two types of vehicles are eco-friendly. The cars that run on CNG are also said to be lesser polluting. Question third is: what are natural reasons for water pollution? Answer is: the natural causes of the water pollution. First one. If organic pollutants are added to the water, there is overgrowth of weeds such as Eichhornia. The growth of algae also makes the water unsuitable for consumption. These aquatic plants release oxygen during daytime, but by night they require oxygen, thus depleting the dissolved oxygen level. The natural characters of water are then changed. Second one. The decomposing matter when added to the water make it polluted and stinking. Third one. Due to deposition of sludge or eroded soil, the rivers change their path and divert from original flow. The currents are also changed. Deposition of sludge makes the water polluted. Fourth one. Due to soil erosion surrounding the water bodies, the microbes, bacteria, protozoans, and the worms and larvae of nematodes enter the water, causing severe biological pollution. Many inorganic pollutants are also added to the water. The fungi and bacteria present in the water make non-potable. Such water spreads the waterborne diseases. Question fourth. Suggest 4 preventive measures for air pollution. Answer is: the following methods are adopted to control air pollution from the industries. First point. The source discharge is diluted by tall chimneys. Second point. There are source correction methods like changing the raw material, equipment modification, process modification, etc. Third point. Effective pollution controlling equipment like dust collectors, electrostatic precipitators, wet scrubbers, etc. should be used. Fourth point. There should be ban and control over atomic tests and chemical weapons on the international level. Question fifth. Explain relation between greenhouse effect and global warming. ANS. Because of greenhouse effect, there is increase in the global temperature. The heat on the Earth remains trapped due to envelope of greenhouse gases. The percentage of carbon dioxide and methane is constantly increasing, and hence there is increase in the temperature too. Thus, the greenhouse effect is directly related to the global warming. Effects of this relation between greenhouse effect and global warming are as follows. First one. The polar ice caps and the glaciers at both the poles are melting due to increased temperature. Second one. The ocean's water is rising due to this melted ice. The sea level rise is causing coastal land submergence. The islands at various regions are threatened of drowning. Third one. Many species of living organisms are already extinct due to global warming. The rest are also threatened. Fourth one. Wild animals are showing weird migrations. Polar bear is endangered. Fifth one. The increased temperature of the oceanic water is causing many changes in the tides and currents. This results into increased occurrence of cyclones, hurricanes, and cloud bursting. The natural disasters are rising in last decade. Last one. The agricultural production is decreasing. The regions with less rainfall are facing droughts. Question 6. Construct 2 slogans each on air, water, and soil pollution. Answer is: Slogans of air pollution. First slogans. Be a part of the solution and not part of pollution. Second slogans. Show your care, clean your air. Slogans of water pollution. First slogans. Water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. The pollution is making all the water stink. Second slogans. Save the fish and the little turtle. Don't throw plastic or it will encircle. Slogans of soil pollution. First slogans. Don't be mean, keep environment clean. Second slogans. Let's keep land clean, together only we can win. Let's see last question of this chapter. Classify the following pollutants into natural and man-made categories. Sewage, dust, pollen grains, chemical fertilizers, vehicular smoke, algae, pesticides, waste of animals and birds. Answer is man-made pollutants. Sewage, dust, construction-related, chemical fertilizers, vehicular smoke and pesticides. Natural pollutants are dust, natural, pollen grains, algae, and waste, excreta, of animal and birds.
Dear subscriber, if you have any problem in this video, chapter, or lesson, please comment it. Please like, share, and subscribe our AdarshVidya educational YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.